Is self-interest shaping our future or hindering it? My name is Scott McArthur, anticipation engineer and passionate about generating hope in the future. To examine this, let's delve into the influential concept coined by Adam Smith, the invisible hand. Smith's invisible hand illustrates the unintended social benefits that arise when individuals pursue their self-interest in economic matters. However, in this era of disruptive technologies, our perception often fixates on others as the targets of disruption, failing to recognise that we too are susceptible to its transformative power. This perception becomes problematic when it leads to job losses and economic disparity. Viewing challenges brought by disruption as someone else's issue hinders collective progress and innovation. Such a perspective, where the concern lies with others losing jobs rather than oneself, threatens the inclusive future we aspire to create. Will our current economic model stand the test of time? Will what got us here get us, you, me, and everyone, there? Shifting our economic model, I believe, is essential. One that embraces disruptive technologies, considers the well-being of all individuals, and prioritises sustainable progress over short-term gains. Various progressive economic models and ideas are emerging, emphasising inclusivity, fair distribution of the resources, and economical sustainability. By fostering collaboration and embracing a mindset that focuses on the collective wealth, we can build a future where progress benefits all, leaving no one behind. You, as leaders and strategists, have the power to drive this change, to define the rules of our economy, and ensure a prosperous, inclusive future. My name is Scott McArthur, anticipation engineer and passionate about generating hope in the future. If you found the video thought-provoking, let's keep the conversation going. Like, share, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments.